Yep. Why? Just why? What is going on? Oh shit. Bro, what is that bear mace? What the hell's happening in this clip? Wait. This was in Alaska. A man crashed a sedan into the Wasilla Police Department entrance and sprayed bear spray Wednesday afternoon. The 41-year-old driver was arrested and faces. This nigga was on like some GTA mission in Alaska. What is this? What's good, y'all? It's your boy Ross back at it again with another video. So I want to check out Brake Check Disaster, Bad Drivers and Driving Fails. Learn how to drive. There's 1,539 episodes of this, and I'm pretty sure there will be plenty more because people don't know how to drive. Even though they have a driver's license, and a lot of us be trying to figure out how they were even able to pass a driving test. There's a lot of people out there that don't know how to drive. And the one thing I've never been a fan of is people that brake check. I dealt with someone doing that earlier today, and I just, moved around. There was nobody really in front of them, but they were brake checking me, and I don't know why. So I, got to the next lane, and luckily I was safe distance where I could see that. Got to the next lane and went on about my day. But people do that. People be trying to, assert their authority on the road, and in my opinion, I think it's stupid. Depending, no matter how you feeling, you putting yourself and someone else at risk because you feel some type of way or whatever the reason may be. Even if someone is tailgating you, which I don't like that either, you still shouldn't be out here trying to purposely brake check, because now you involve insurance companies and all types of other stuff. Other people get involved and damages and stuff like that, and that's all unnecessary. And you never know, that may be the tipping point for someone that just snaps and loses it on you. And, now you're in a crazier situation. So we're going to check this out. Appreciate all the love and support you guys have been showing on the channel. You guys have been liking the videos I've been checking out. And let's get right into it, man.
I want to buy myself some flights.
All right. Joe Willis.
So next time you're thinking about asking someone about
they didn't even signal.
Whatever, just download Dave instead. Click below.
Yeah, they didn't even signal on that one, so that one definitely was on them. I don't know if I would have been like on the horn that long. I usually, hey, below the horn, hey, bro, signal next time.
Do it all day.
And that's why you don't do it. So I definitely would not have been on the horn as long as this person was, but I definitely wouldn't have brake checked them either. Like, I mean, luckily this person has the camera, so they can see, and they would be at fault, but also at the same time, I'm sure their insurance will try to claim that the person that was driving was following along a little bit too close. But nevertheless, this could have easily been avoided. I just would have blew the horn and kept it going, but now look at that shit.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Police were not interested in looking at the video on scene. I asked the police officer if anything can be done here, and I was directed to just obtain the report. Police haven't been easy to get in contact with. Haven't received a report yet. Damn.
911, this call is recorded. Operator 434. What is the location of the emergency?
So I'm in front of.
Yeah, you show that to the insurance. Toronto, a truck was tailgating me, so I swerved to the left to get away from it, as you can see. And then the incident in the video happened. It was something like road rage. All right. Okay. Ended up tapping him just a little bit. Don't know what was going on there. Right. Yeah, are they on their phone? Like, Like, damn, bro. Like, I know some people be on their phone not paying attention. You give them a slight little honk, but Buddy was not paying attention at all.
Come on. God damn, dude.
Yeah, I don't know what they were doing.
Damn, you an idiot.
Chronic inattention of left turn traffic light. Just some recent cases. I'm probably just going to find another route since this happens over half the time. I can understand his frustration there. He was just frustrated. I don't know. Was the light green? Wait, hold on.
Damn, you an idiot.
It was yellow, bro. Come on. I get it. You frustrated, but it was yellow turning red. I understand your frustration, but it was yellow turning red. You know, you may want to calm that down, bro. It was yellow turning red, bro. I get you upset, frustrated. I get it, but it was yellow turning red. It made sense. Oh, they racing. And oh man, yeah, they were definitely racing, and yep. Tore his shit up, bro. Gotta be careful when you're out there racing in these situations like this. Look at this. Now it looked like it was a Mercedes too. Bad driving on the 407 May 9th, 2026 at 2 p.m. Looks like a couple idiots were racing. One of them lost control and put everyone in danger. The white car disappeared and just left his friend for dead. Here's the thing. They probably weren't even friends. This is probably somebody that they met on the road and then just decided to run it and dipped. When that happened, hey, ain't got shit to do with me. That's the thing. When you trying to run it with strangers, they're not obligated to stop to make sure you good. No, they just gonna keep going because damn, sucks for them. You know what I'm saying? Now, obviously, the caring person should be like, damn, I was running it with him. Let me make sure he's okay. But no, that wasn't the case. That's why y'all gotta be careful when y'all trying to go to Mexico. These things could possibly happen. Totaled his shit out, and there's no one to blame but himself. That's on him.
Good morning.
Sheriff Sanders. What is this? Oh, wow. It looked like they deployed something. It tore out his tires. That's it. Oh, it locked up his tires. Yep, that's it. Yep. No way he's still trying to drive. Yeah, his whole rear axle is locked up. He's not getting out of there. Yeah, that's all. On May 5th, deputies pursued a driver with a suspended license and a hit-and-run warrant. Oh, yeah, he was cooked. After a pit maneuver and grappler deployment, deputies pinned the vehicle and took the suspect into custody. Yeah, it was GG's.
Confirm you said southbound.
That's it.
11,000 block I-5 south.
Yep. All right, so we got like a little roundabout, which a lot of people don't know how to maneuver in. Impatient school bus driver. Yeah, I think they were supposed to wait.
Posterior. Parece que llevaba prisa. Mientras el semáforo estaba en rojo, él quiso adelantar y parece que impactó en...
Oh, no.
Afortunadamente no sufrió ninguna lesión.
How'd they fall? All right. Did somebody hit them? Yep. Weren't paying attention. That's literally all on them. They tried to avoid it. That's all on them. They weren't paying attention. They're driving on the... They're using the entrance as an exit. How is that even possible? I don't know, bro. I don't even know how you get turned around.
Heading east on Z-Zebra right now. Can you get a chance to take them off the road, do it.
Okay.
Am I 1050?
What was the... What they thought they was going to do? Yeah, good job, bro.
1050.
I don't even know why they did that.
153, 1050. My squad's out of commission.
Damn, his squad out of commission from that? Wow.
153, 1050. My squad's out of commission.
Oh, what? You know what? They deserve that. They deserve to get tipped over like that because they literally thought they was about to get out of that situation. Look at you. Look at you now. Look at you now. You're done. You're done, man.
Rollover, send EMS.
I mean, that was an easy. Sit your ass down.
Rollover, send EMS.
Deputies chased a stolen vehicle from Illinois on the I-41 before forcing it off the road in Winnebago County. The vehicle rolled into a ditch and caught fire. Two suspects were arrested and faced multiple charges.
Winnebago, they're requesting EMS.
And we'll take the first.
She's so careful about making it awkward for her guests, but not making it awkward or uncomfortable.
That's a weird setup right here. It's just a lot going on here.
But not making it awkward or uncomfortable for you.
Okay.
What a good friend.
She still wanted to use.
Seen people do that plenty of times down here. Just run the red light just because. No, this is the wrong way, bro. You going? Yeah, Brody. And then you still kept drop, bro. You going the wrong way. So we just gonna have a stare off. Who's gonna move first? Wait, what? How are you going? A driver ignored the no left turn LED sign and went the wrong way down an alley street. Realizing the mistake, the driver backed out and entered where they shouldn't have in the first place. I thought, hold on, wait a minute.
Still wanted to use.
So they turn. You see, yeah, they're going in the right direction. It says stop right here. And then basically just force this guy. I mean, so he had to back up to let this guy go. I'm confused, bro. Oh, well, yeah. They was coming around that corner too fast. Beautiful scenery, might I add. This is beautiful. But look at that. Jeez, dog. There's no audio for some of these clips, so let's see. What? A runaway dog. Oh my gosh. He's trying to get the dog. And they are just Oh. Well, I'm glad everyone was paying attention while the owner trying to get their dog back. So I'm glad everyone was paying attention. That could have been pretty bad. Yeah, these clips don't have any audio. Let's see what's about to happen here. What the? Hold on. Wait a minute. Hold on, bro. Wait a minute. Was this vehicle? So we see this in the background right here. Wait a minute. Please tell me that is that vehicle. Yep. Yep. Why? Just why? What is going on? Oh, shit. Bro, what? Is that bear mace? What the hell's happening in this clip? Wait. This was in Alaska. A man crashed a sedan into the Wasilla Police Department entrance and sprayed bear spray Wednesday afternoon. The 41-year-old driver was arrested and faces. This nigga was on like some GTA mission in Alaska. What is this? I'm just gonna ram my car into the front door of the police department and spray bear mace. or bear spray. Like, why? I need to know more. Because what the fuck? That's insane. What's the purpose of this? All right. Seen people do this, wait to the last minute, trying to get over. You see them getting over. All right, bro. Maybe you couldn't have got over it, but you could have slowed down. That's on you, bro. Pit maneuver attempt thankfully failed. Did they try to hit them? All right, showing out. Look at you, bro. Damn. Now you got to pick your bike up. Look at you. Ohio DMV is right down the street, and the bike does not have plates. Hopefully, he and the bike are okay. Yeah, bike scratched up, but yeah, bro. All right, finally some audio. Whoa. I don't like when people do that. I don't like when people do that. Pull out and then stop. Like, bro, either commit or don't pull out all the way like that. Now, this person that's in the car, that's blowing the horn, if there was no one up to your left, you could have got over. You could have got over. You could have got over. I'm just saying. Wait, what? How, what? I just be trying to figure out how people be. They got to be on their phone or something, not paying attention. Oh, in Conroe, driver was drifting in lane before this started. Thankfully, they were able to recover before traveling onto oncoming lanes of traffic. This area is the nexus for distracted and aggressive driving. Yeah, bro. Come on, bro. Come on. What are we doing? Fucked up your car, too. That was easily avoidable. Florida can't drive. It's all over the world. Yep, didn't put their signal on. Just hate when people don't do that too, bro. Put your signal on, bro. Let me know where you merge it at. All right. Okay. All right. All right. And you give us Mercedes drivers a bad name. Get rid of your car, bro. There's no way this should have even happened. Get rid of your car, bro. Get rid of it, bro. What the fuck? That was so avoidable. You're an idiot. Who got out that car? Who was driving this? You're an idiot, bro. You don't deserve that car. You're a buffoon, bro. All of that was easily avoidable. Easily avoidable, man. All of these were easily avoidable. And that's why you got to be safe out there and definitely get you a dash cam. This is why it's important to have dash cams so you can have footage of people, doing reckless stuff like this. But comment down below. Let me know some other car-related videos y'all want me to check out. I definitely will. Appreciate all the love, support. Road to 200K. Appreciate y'all. I'm thinking of the other channel. Road to 30K. Now, see y'all on the next one, man. Peace.